Welcome back, Tune Spot, for everything two wheels. From the latest motorcycle launches to honest reviews and deep dives into what makes each machine tick. If you're passionate about bikes, you're in the right place. So make sure you're subscribed, hit that bell icon so you never miss an update, and let's get started. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting releases from Hero MotoCorp, the 2026 Hero Karizma XMR 250. A name that holds legacy, a machine that's been reborn, and a motorcycle that's all set to stir the quarter-liter segment. The Karizma name has been etched in the memories of Indian riders for over 2 decades, and now, Hero has brought it back with new-age technology, aggressive styling, and refined performance. The 2026 Karizma XMR 250 looks sharp, premium, and athletic. It borrows design elements from supersport machines while maintaining a street-friendly character. The fairing is aerodynamic, sleek, and aggressive, with sharp cuts and creases that scream performance. The LED projector headlamp setup, flanked by striking DRLs, gives it a menacing face, a massive upgrade from the older generation. Hero hasn't just thrown in design for the sake of looks. Everything feels purposeful. Whether it's the sculpted fairing for better wind protection or the ergonomically designed seat for long rides, this bike is made for real-world performance with style. Moving on to the instrument cluster, the 2026 Karizma XMR 250 comes with a fully digital LCD console. And yes, it's Bluetooth-enabled. You get turn-by-turn navigation, call and SMS alerts, gear position indicator, real-time mileage, distance to empty, service reminders, pretty much everything you'd expect in a premium 250 cubic centimeters bike today. Another neat touch is the illuminated switchgear, which adds a premium feel, especially during night rides. The build quality has clearly seen a boost, tactile buttons, solid plastics, and a tighter finish than previous Hero models. Now let's talk engine and performance, the heart of the beast. At the core of the 2026 Karizma XMR 250 is a brand new 249 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, 4-valve DOHC engine. It produces around 27.5 horsepower at 9,500 RPM and 23.5 Nm of torque at 7,000 RPM. It's mated to a 6-speed gearbox with a slipper clutch, a major plus for aggressive downshifting and smoother ride experience. And the numbers don't lie. This engine is punchy, rev-happy, and surprisingly refined. Whether you're commuting, taking on weekend twisties, or even trying out a track day, the Karizma doesn't disappoint. Hero has worked extensively on NVH levels, and it shows. Even at higher RPMs, vibrations are minimal. The throttle response is crisp, and the power delivery is linear yet thrilling. The torque curve is meaty in the mid-range, which makes it enjoyable in city rides as well as on highways. In terms of ride and handling, the Karizma XMR 250 is built on a new trellis frame, which gives it a solid planted feel. The chassis feels agile, nimble, and confidence-inspiring. Cornering is sharp, and the feedback from the front end is reassuring. Suspension duties are handled by telescopic forks at the front and a preload adjustable monoshock at the rear. Hero has tuned the suspension well. It strikes a balance between sporty stiffness and everyday comfort. Potholes and bad roads are absorbed decently, and spirited riding feels planted. The riding posture is sporty, but not too committed. It sits in that sweet spot between comfort and aggression, ideal for daily rides and weekend fun. The clip-on handlebars are slightly raised, and the footpeg position is mildly rear set, which makes for a natural, engaging stance. Now onto brakes and tires. The Karizma XMR 250 comes with a 300mm front disc and a 230mm rear disc, both backed by dual-channel ABS. The braking performance is sharp, progressive, and confidence-boosting. Let's talk fuel economy, because in the real world, mileage matters. The Karizma XMR 250 returns an impressive 35-38 km/L in mixed riding conditions, and you can stretch that closer to 40 km per liter with a light wrist on highways. With its 11-liter fuel tank, you're looking at a practical range of over 350 kilometers, great for touring without frequent fuel stops. Now coming to features and tech, this is where Hero has made big strides. We've already talked about the digital cluster and Bluetooth connectivity, but the Karizma XMR 250 also features asterisk slipper clutch for smoother downshifts, asterisk adjustable rear monoshock, asterisk LED lighting all around, asterisk segment first turn-by-turn navigation, Ride stats through the Hero Ride app. There's also talk of Hero working on introducing a quick shifter accessory in future updates, which would be a huge plus for enthusiasts. Let's now compare the Karizma XMR 250 to its main rivals, the Suzuki Gixxer SF 250, Yamaha R15M, and the Bajaj Pulsar RS 200. Against the Gixxer SF 250, the Karizma offers similar power, but feels more feature-rich and offers better connectivity. It's also more affordable, making it a stronger value proposition. Compared to the Yamaha R15M, the Karizma offers more power and torque, a bigger engine, and a more relaxed riding posture, making it more versatile. While the R15 wins on sharpness and track focus, the Karizma scores high on everyday usability. As for the Pulsar RS 200, while it still remains a solid performer, its age is starting to show. The Karizma feels fresher, better equipped, and overall more refined. Let's talk pricing. The 2026 Hero Karizma XMR 250 is priced at around Indian rupee 1.98 lakh ex-showroom, making it one of the most aggressively priced quarter-liter bikes in India. For what it offers, liquid cooling, DOHC engine, slipper clutch, Bluetooth tech, and Hero's reliability, it's a very compelling package. Now, if you're wondering who should buy this bike, here's the answer. Asterisk if you're upgrading from a 125 cubic centimeters or 150 cubic centimeters bike and want something sporty yet practical, the Karizma XMR 250 is perfect. Asterisk if you want a mix of weekday commutes and weekend fun without burning a hole in your pocket, this bike checks all boxes. Asterisk if you're a fan of the original Karizma and want a modern revival, this is a no-brainer. But no bike is perfect, so here are a few areas of improvement. Asterisk the exhaust could be slightly better finished. It feels basic compared to the rest of the styling. Asterisk a TFT display would have added more wow factor. Asterisk adjustable levers could have been a good touch for this price range. Asterisk the availability of more vibrant color options could appeal to younger riders. To wrap it up, the 2026 Hero Karizma XMR 250 isn't just a comeback, it's a statement. It blends heritage with modern engineering, practicality with performance, and value with style. Hero has truly listened to enthusiasts and delivered a motorcycle that makes sense for India, without compromising on thrills. And that's all for today's deep dive. If you enjoyed this review and want more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Which quarter-liter bike are you rooting for in 2026? Let's talk. Until next time, ride safe, ride smart, and keep your passion alive. This is your channel for all things motorcycles, signing off.